Hey YouTube, Maker's Journey here. Sorry for the noise in the background, got the 3D printer warming up. So yesterday a friend called me, said that he wanted a quick, something to hold the part down, like a quick vacuum table. You don't want to spend a lot of time making it. So I told him I've used this process in the past and it's good for holding down small parts or routing around things or sanding and things like that. I'll show you what I did and what the process is, and let's get to it. So this is what I've got. I had a pre-existing hole here already where I have a router mount up underneath it. So I just utilized the hole. Do the same thing on your board and just attach it to your board. You can suspend it off the edge, I'm sure. Or drill a hole in your table like I did and have access to it. Make sure it's, flat on your table. And then I'm going to drill some holes in the center. I'm going to drill some holes in the center where I know the vacuum tube's at. One. I'm going to put 3. And this is a 5/16 drill bit. And I usually do 3 layers of tape. And again, I've got my vacuum tube underneath, and you're gonna see how good this works. I mean, the sucker, it takes a lot to get it off, but it'll hold pretty good. But it'll hold. It holds pretty. I like how good it holds. So I'm gonna set up the router and route it. Right here I've got a 1/4 inch rounding bit, and I'm just going to put that on, turn on my vacuum. And that worked really nice. Nice little cutting board. I'll bring that in the house after I treat it. I'm gonna do the other side real quick.
And we're gonna do the other side.
I'm telling you, I'm amazed on just how good that thing holds down. All right, I'm really happy with the way that little suction table works. So, if there's anything you guys want to see me make or anything like that, I did just get a 3D printer, so I'm kind of going crazy on that. And if there's anything you guys want to see me make there, I just ask. I'll leave it in the comments, and I will try to make it happen. Currently, I have several projects that I've made through the printer already. I'm making a monkey bomb. Hopefully, that's my next video from Call of Duty from Zombies. I stumbled across this antique monkey on the Facebook Marketplace, and I decided, I'm going to go ahead and do it. So anyway, that's one of my projects. Please like and subscribe. Later.